serious environmental consequences and its response. On any construction site, we have different sort of emergency we could maybe. Okay, so like we have fire hazard, we have any chemical spillage, we have any blast, any emergency we may occur at any construction site. This is outlined that what environmental emergencies, spill response plan, hazardous materials, and spill response. Here you can see potential impacts of not planning and preparing for environmental emergencies. At site, we have health and safety of workers and public, air contamination, surface or groundwater pollution, destruction of wildlife habitat, damage to property, and damage to equipment and sources. In order to not comply, we have legal notice or legal fine because we are doing violation by the specific government where we are working. Here we have a spill response plan that it is a part of environmental emergency response plan ERP describes the relevant standards and the procedures to be followed in event of an environmental emergency. This document is also intended to serve as a training and reference guide for staff and contractors. The purpose of this EERP is to eliminate, reduce, the mitigate, and the environmental impacts are uncontrolled, unplanned, or accidental release of a hazardous material into the environment. This slide also tells us prevention, preparedness, response, recovery, and reporting. We have scope, okay, that what should be or what may be the scope of spill response plan. The scope is prevent, prepare, respond, and recover from any environmental emergency relevant to the environment which pose any hazard at the site. Now we will have a definition on spillage and accidents. Oil spillage is a form of pollution describes is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbons into the environment, especially marine areas, due to human activities. Every year, the Environmental Emergency Agency responds to 350 serious pollution incidents caused by the construction companies. The vast majority of these are oily spills which have not been effectively contained due to inadequate cleaning systems. Here we have a certain list of hazardous materials at any construction site because mostly we have these sort of hazardous materials. We have diesel, we have any sewage plant, or we have any chemicals. So in petroleum product, these materials can be that bulk diesel storage, diesel dispensing, or vehicle refueling, diesel delivery, or transfer, wastewater. Like I already told you that it may be STP or domestic or industrial waste, hazardous waste. It may be landscaping, grease trap, laundry, kitchen cleaning, batteries, broken lights, cartage, electronic waste, spillage, and we have to handle that waste by keeping them at a specific storage place. These are the items in spill kit which will use if any spillage occurs, which contain basically spill kit is a box which contain different sort of items which absorb the spill like oil boom. We have pre-disposal bags, gloves, goggles, oil flow, and oil pads. Here we have detailed map of spill response plan. First one is be prepared. Second one is be safe. Third one is stop the source. Fourth is protect the storm water. Fifth is notify. Sixth is clean up. Seven is dispose. And eighth is restock and review. So thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Hope you understood this very important lecture. This is actually a basic. So we will meet with another good lecture on environment and sustainability. Thanks for watching.